Hi, this is a Harbor Breeze Cheshire ceiling fan. Take a look. It has blades, brown blades on it. Has the light can on it. And you might want to see this kind you want. That is that's the light. Here's low. It calms a lot again. I wouldn't, because it was a little plastered today, and you might want to have these kind you want. And I don't know, you might want to have these. Now, I'm gonna go to medium. Yeah, the opposite, low reverse. Alright, sir. Here comes high. Look at that. You see this one? This is white one. Whoa, that one's nice. And take a look. Alright, sir. And you know what, god damn it. I'm going for reverse. Alright, sir. Alright, now I'm gonna stop a little bit. Do. Go up and down. Sergio. Over alone on reverse. Duh. Now here's the medium, a little well of reverse. Look, it was raining outside because I thought I was in an anniversary and stab people's legs. And you know what you do? You know what I mean. Yeah, if I turn up, was it gonna a little bit louder? Look, and when I get you off school, look, you see that one, and you start thinking about, and alright, sir. This is a while ago. You know what? Anything about the ceiling fan? I'm not gonna turn it off a little bit. And you know what? Thanks a lot, Scott man. Whoa. Thanks a lot. Bye.